Youngmob is a European project funded by the European Commission under the Erasmus Plus program, funded with €260,000, more than that, and coordinated by the Universidad de Burgos. The main goals of the project are two. On the one hand, we pretend to develop and design an innovative app that will allow parents and teachers to know the level of their youngsters' mobile use, abuse or addiction, and a virtual tutor that will accompany the children in the learning process of how to use correctly a smartphone with personalized strategies for each profile of children. And on the other hand, we pretend to develop and deliver practical materials and tools for the schools, for parents and for youngsters also to promote this correct use of the smartphones, and also recommendations, customized recommendations for policymakers.
The Youngmob project consortium is composed by 7 members of 4 countries. The first one is Spain, University of Burgos, Polibienestar Research Institute and Gestione. In Italy is Media Educazione Comunità Association. In Portugal is Polytechnic Institute of Leiria, and finally in Sloven is Spirala Center.
Mobile addiction is a complex phenomenon, as finding a line between dependence and addiction for mobiles appears to be a big challenge. It is broadly studied, yet it still remains as not fully understood when it comes to the technique of its roots. Mobile addiction, dealing with mobile addiction requires addressing on 2 levels. First level is about locating of guidelines for balanced use of the smartphones, and the second level exposes a need for deeper understanding of mobile addiction by reflecting on the roots, which seems as universal for another traditional addictions. Mobile addiction is also actual since it directly relates to a certain wider phenomena in society, such as liquid society, weakening of humanistic doctrine, and change perception of space and time at modern individual.
The Youngmob app, we collect data from the youngsters' mobile phones, and with those variables that we are trying to collect, we will try to explain the behavior of the youngsters using the smartphones during 15 days. After that data collection and analysis, the app will share different tips and advices to each youngster, trying to raise awareness of the misuse of the smartphones.
I think that it is very important that parents participate in this project, because this tool will be very useful from a situation of addiction, about internet addiction, about smartphone and digital device. And we find in our work with the primary school, secondary school, and with the parents of teenagers that more often in these days they talk about this addiction, and they can't control the use of their children, of their teenagers that live with them. So it's very important, because they can be a very useful tool for them.
The tangible output will be a specific app to reduce the youngest mobile addiction. So we expect that to promote a correct use of smartphones, and also to generate some educational materials to help them with specific or personalized recommendations.
You can find more information about our project in our website, that is youngmob.eu, and also in our Twitter account, that is youngmob_EU.